Hello, my name is Mark Sutcliffe. I'm representing TPAC today and I'm going to talk about the TPAC Adagio software. So this is our latest NDT offering that supports the full range of TPAC hardware, including the Max and the Explorer Mini, and it allows us to do full volumetrically merged ultrasonic data acquisition using both phase array and advanced TFM techniques. So we have options to visualize the data using multi-mode TFM. So in this example, I have a girth weld setup where we have two probes sat both sides of the weld. I'll be acquiring data from this side and this side and then doing a pitch catch across that weld. What that allows us to do is to create three unique views, one from each side of the probe and a volumetrically merged set of data from the middle channel. So here you can see there's no artifact coming from this side. It's visible on the merged data, and from this one there's a little notch there. I can interact with the data and bring up any corresponding C-scan that relates to that information.